the stars come to shine when it's dark.
Ever wonder how to fix a leaky trailer roof without losing your mind? Let me show you how I stripped it down, sealed it up, and got my trailer sealed up tight again. This roof tape was peeling back like a bad sunburn, so it was time to rip it off, clean it up, and lay down a fresh seal. Most folks would pay a shop big money for this kind of repair, and hey, if that's your route, go for it. Me, I like fixing my own stuff when I can. A couple of sealants, some roof tape, and a whole lot of elbow grease got this job done right.
Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
I think I've already videoed this on my phone, and I'll make sure I'll try to make sure I put it in the video. But right here, you can see there's just some weathered issues with this bonding and this tape. So I'm gonna peel it all back, clean it up, and put some different stuff on here to help seal this all back up like it should be. So far I haven't seen anywhere else that's had these problems. This side all looks pretty good, but I might lay another layer of that caulk and stuff in there anyway. I'm not going to bore you with all of this, so I'm going to get it cleaned up, and then I'll come back when it's ready to go through some of the stages. What I'm planning on is I'm going to caulk all of this stuff. That's disappointing that they patched that instead of using one solid piece. Shit. Anyway, and then I'm going to do the same here along this edge, here, everywhere that's exposed after I clean that one up. And then after I've caulked it and it's set up, then I'll put the tape over it. And then I've got some of this self-leveling sealant I'll put over top, just like they did kind of here. I'll run a little more around it and just try to keep everything sealed up good and tight. Another day after graveyards, I'm back to the trailer, and I've finished all the caulking the other day. It looks really good, sealed up. I don't think anything will get through, especially with that and then this adhesive. So now I'm just gonna wipe it down and clean it, and then take the roof repair tape and patch everything up. I'll do that 2-inch stuff first, and then I'll probably bring a 4-inch piece across the corners. I don't know, maybe I'll even do 4 on this front. I might do that just because. Just to show you real quick, what I'm going to do is come from the back with the 2-inch up so far, and same there, and then I'll bring the strip across and then the corners just to tie everything in. So this tape, I thought this was 2-inch. I didn't measure it when I ordered it. It is not. It's bigger. I'll tell you right now. It is almost 2 3/4, basically. Anyway, so I put this 2-inch on this lower part for that seam. Now I'm going to run the 4-inch all the way up and then all the way across. So because that's all I have left is, you know, I got this bigger roll of 4-inch, and that stuff is super tacky and sticky. I love it. But I got to just wipe off the top of this a little bit, clean everything up good, but it shouldn't have, and I'm probably going to clean back a little further on that. It shouldn't have any issues from here on out with this, because between the caulking style underneath it, the tape here, the 4-inch tape, and then again that self-leveling sealant on the back, it hopefully shouldn't ever have any issues.
Another night and I'm just walking, city lights and people talking. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I wonder if you got that feeling, staring at your bedroom ceiling, and think about me the way I think about you. Could you tell me, should I let you go? Yeah, I gotta know, yeah, I gotta know if I'm gonna be yours, so don't you keep me waiting. Yeah, I have to know, yeah, I have to know if you wanna be mine, 'cause this is so frustrating. Tell me now, don't keep me waiting. Hey, the peaceful walls get so depressing. I'm so tired of my second guessing, reading every text you sent just one more time.
It's not as warm today. I was hoping it would be a little bit warmer for that, and hopefully I think it'll still settle a little bit more, but hopefully it flattens out. I can always put more, I guess, on there, but I was hoping to get just a good base coat on it. Other than that, I think we got enough with the tape. The sealant underneath shouldn't have a single problem, I hope. Keep an eye on it, but that's it.
Keep me waiting. Hey, I think I might just lose my mind 'cause of you. I gotta know, yeah, I gotta know if I'm gonna be yours.
That is
Don't you
awesome.
keep me waiting. Yeah, I have to know, yeah, I have to know if you wanna be mine, 'cause this is so frustrating. Tell me now, don't keep me waiting. Hey,
Take off. awesome.
I love learning and repairing things, but it's not always just about getting the job done. It's about the time we put in with family, the laughs and the memories we make. With all that's been happening in our country lately, it's a good reminder, take every moment you can, hold your people close, and always keep pushing forward. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and until next time, God bless, and remember, stay strong, stay proud, and always stay America first.